This kanji have two reading. The first onyomi reading hon, and the second reading kunyomi reading moto. This kanji mean book, present, true, or be used to counter for long silent recordings. So every time when you see this kanji, you should remember the onyomi reading and the kunyomi reading, and you remember the meaning. Actually, this kanji mean book, present, or true, or they used to count the thing that have the form that long. So today we will learn how to use this kanji and how to make compound noun by using this kanji. The word we see here read like nihon. Nihon is mean Japan. And for example, you can create a sentence like Nihon e itta koto ga arimasu ka? Nihon e itta koto ga arimasu ka? Which means, have you ever been to Japan? Or you can say, Nihon wa doko ni arimasu ka? Nihon wa doko ni arimasu ka? Which means, where is the Japan? Where is the Japan? Nihongo. Nihongo means Japanese language. If you just say Nihon is mean Japan, but go is mean the language, right? So when you put that Nihon with go is mean Japanese language. So and in this they say how to create the sentence. In here we have the example like どこで日本語を勉強していますか? どこで日本語を勉強していますか? Which means, where do you learn Japanese language? 日本語が上手ですね。日本語が上手ですね。Which means, your Japanese is really good. Your Japanese is perfect. Something like this. So this is about how to create the sentence by using nihongo. The next, honki. Honki is mean seriousness or earnest or the true. In here we have the example like あの人は本気で話しています。あの人は本気で話しています。It means that person is talking about the truth. That person is talking about the truth. You should know that honki is mean the true or the seriousness is mean from your heart, from your mind. That means something that you talk from your bottom half. So they say honki. Ki is mean the mind, right? Hon is mean the main. You have the thing that to be the main or the long things, right? So it means the main part in your mind. That mean you talk about the true thing that you think from your mind, from your opinion, from your idea. So they say 本気。本気で話してます is mean you talk from your heart about the things that, right? Or you can create a sentence like 鈴木さんは本気で話していません。鈴木さんは本気で話していません。which mean 鈴木さん is not talking about the truth. 鈴木さん is not talking about the truth. That means he or she just say about something but don't say from or doesn't say from the heart, from the mind, from Mr. Suzuki-san. So this is about honki.